there is a little bit of a conundrum, Kranti, and this is with respect to the number of tax filers. Now, again, data that came out in the Parliament yesterday, and Pankaj Chaudhary, MoS Finance, in fact, mentioned this to Parliament, that India has witnessed an income tax return filing growth between the last year and which is 2022-23 and financial year 23-24, with in the new year 8.09 crore returns submitted as compared to 7.4 crore returns the previous year. But even with this increased 8.09 crore taxpayers, it represents only 6.68% of the population, which means less than 7 out of every 100 people living in India are actually paying taxes. Now, we were talking about the budget earlier, Kranti. How does the budget 2025 and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ensure that this tax net widens so that our fiscal deficit concerns also get offset?
One thing, Karthik, of course, the GST regime has increased the strong revenue pool for the government.
All right.
So while coming to the direct taxes are concerned, the slab has been widened. Okay, right now, people who have around 7.5 lakhs income, okay, they are not comes under the tax net. Of course, they are liable to file the tax filing. So the awareness has been going up, but we are at a faster pace. As you rightly mentioned, just 7% of the population of the country are filing the returns. But because of the awareness, because of the fintech, and also the digitalization that's taking place, of course, we started with a pace of filing the returns, but expected to take off because of the disposable incomes are going up. Many of the new youngsters have been joining to the workforce. The numbers are expected to go up. There is a lot of headroom for this for these numbers, Karthik, definitely. But we are at a slower pace. Definitely, I can expect the pace of growth is expected to accelerate in the coming years.
Right, fingers
Of course,
crossed on that one, Kranti.
we have made a progress from 2% to 7%. So that are also important things to ponder upon that.
Yeah, I mean, the journalist in me cannot refrain from asking that with this low number of taxpayers, just 7% or so, is there a larger systemic problems when it comes to jobs and job creation and the salaries that people draw, at least in their early jobs, which results in zero tax filing as well. But anyway, let's stay on to the tax story. There's an update that the Income Tax Department is reaching out to taxpayers and non-filers via an SMS and email campaign aimed at addressing mismatches between reported transactions in the annual information statement and their income tax returns for FY 23-24 and FY 21-22. This campaign is set to encourage filings, revised or belated ITRs, and allows taxpayers to provide feedback on their AIS.